There we go. Oh! Was that supposed to be a full flip?
It was. That was the full flip.
I think you landed on your butt.
No, Brad.
I want to know what's all that brown mud that's coming up.
It was on my feet.
Yeah. There was no brown mud coming up before.
Okay, let me hold the camera.
Right, here come Mr. and Mrs. Eilers. All right, hey, you gonna hold hands and do a? Hey, both of you hold hands and do a flip.
Come on, let's see some of them.
Let's see what you got.
I know.
Let's see what you got.
What was that movie again? Where they jumped off the cliff? Are you crazy? The fall will probably kill you.
It's not
that sounded like a thigh to me.
It's not the fall. It's the sudden.
That was a thigh, right? That guy. Yeah. Well, you got to talk about it.
Save the hat. Save the hat. Oh, getting all fancy.
Not so much. Can you do a flip? Can you, Kara, can you do a flip? Do you have a tattoo? No?
I might, but then I might end up traction too.
Right. Raphael, let's see a double flip, man.
I would do it.
Raphael, come on, double flip, man.
You could do it. I know you could do it. Yeah.
Come on.
I'm too chicken for that. No.
I'm in the bodybuilding championships with the stick.
Come on, Raphael, double flip.
Do a backflip. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there you go. You'll do good. Whatever, just go.
All right.
Just keep flipping.
Oh, that was a good one. Nice splash. That went high as the boat. You found an anchor?
Let me
grab it.
All right, Bradley, what have you got, man? Let's see it.
Backflip.
Inward 1.5. That was not it.
Oh, you just went off? Hey, yes, I did. Because I'm going to videotape you.
Okay.
See what you got.
I got like an inward 1.5.
Inward 1.5?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I really liked your 40.
All right.
Inward 1.5, rotating 3/4
Oh, yeah.
to the left.
That was pretty good. Very good. That's only that 7. I give you an 8.5. Yeah. She's generous. Tell us what you got. What do you got?
No, show us what you got.
1.5. All right. Show us. Talk is cheap. Talk is cheap, baby. Oh. Who was that? Oh.
Come on, that's fun.
This is going to be great for the video. All the people have tattoos. Here's the Rio horses. Have fun. Have fun. 60. Woo! Hold on. Hey, Julie, put your hands in the straps. Trust me. There they are, the Rio horses.
There we go. All right, who's next? Come on.
That's fun. He was so quick and quiet.
Kirsten, let's go. Kirsten, you're up.
Somebody time me to the boat.
Susanna,
No.
let's go. You're up. Come on.
I'm not going.
Not happening.
Michelle.
Michelle, come on, man. Oh, she'll mess up her hair.
I don't. Can you tell this is so perfect?
Oh, yeah. All right, Mr. Morgan, let's go. Let's see what you got here. Whoa, there we go. And he didn't come up. Oh, there he is. He is out there.
30 feet away.
All right, let's see what you got.
Oh, that's going to be bad.
Oh.
All right.
Little flip underwater. No. You know, it's all about the slide.
Okay, what are you doing? Sideways.
Oh, a little side action there.
Changing it a little half flip there.
Be the slide. Think nothing about it. The slide is your friend.
That's gonna hurt.
Oh, that could leave a mark. Let's see what you got. Like a double, like, I don't know, something. Go.
Okay, on the count of 3, let's push her.
All right, everybody push her on 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! All right. Woohoo!
You did it. Okay, I touched the ground. See, it's not bad. You touched the ground. Like barely.
off in the middle.
See, but it wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad.
Gets down to
It wasn't good,
It
but
wasn't good, but it wasn't bad. Let's see what you got, Miss Morgan.
Wait. Let me get out of the way. Watch out. All right. You're clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
Triple flip at the bottom.
Let's see triple Lindy.
Exactly.
You never saw back this way.
Woo!
Oh man.
All right, Rolf, let's see what you got, man. Woo!
Yeah, he's going like, look, man, the whole short line.
All right. Here you go, front flip. Oh! Here you go, front flip. Oh! Here you go, front flip. Oh! Ouch!
that's gonna leave a mark.
Oh!
Rolf, that could leave.
That's why I don't do it.
That could hurt.
Go him up.
Ouch! We got the back flip going.
Make sure you get away from the.
So you just throw
There's a little I mean, it's not much, but I'm just saying, you know.
Just throw your feet up. Just throw your feet towards the sky.
9-1.
He's an athlete.
Just throw your feet up. 9-1 and hold that last button.
That's right. Put your finger on the button. Oh!
Oh!
Ow!
That is.
Oh,
Come on. Throw him an anchor. Throw him something.
Make sure you go out. That's all I'm thinking is
Oh! Well, you didn't hit your head.
Well, you didn't hit anything.
Recorded.
All right. You ready?
Yep. Yay! There's the adoring audiences over there.
Perfect.